Just on Bukayo, can you give us a sense of what the next week is going to be like? Will he be on the grass with a ball at his feet? Will he be just running? Or kind of what are the steps for next week?
Yeah, he's going to be here, hopefully more with the ball on his feet than in his hand. So that will mean that he's passing the ball and shooting and running and everything. So he's done quite a lot already on the pitch. Everything on his own, that's true. So the next is to reintegrate with people around him, with players around him, and more competitive training session, and see how he goes with that.
All right, so Arteta gave us the major breaking news that Bukayo Saka is very, very close to coming back. When I checked the Arsenal websites to go through the transcripts of this particular interview, this thing Arteta said there was not found there. That Saka is already running, already shooting, it's already on the field of play. I didn't see it there, so I don't know why they omitted it or took it out. Maybe they also want to surprise everybody and bring him against Real Madrid. So all things being equal, from what we are seeing, Saka will be available against Real Madrid, and this is big, big news. All right, guys. So I just said let you guys know what's going on.